Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Sentry for real-time mobile error monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the Sentry website at sentry.io. On the homepage, locate the sign up button and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. Fill in your details, including your email address and password. Once completed, click on Create Account. Click the link to verify your email address. After verification, return to the Sentry login page. Enter your email and password to sign in. Once logged in, you will see the Sentry dashboard. Look for the Add Project button and click on it. Choose the platform that fits your mobile application, such as iOS or Android. Follow the prompts to name your project and set up the necessary configurations. You will then receive a unique DSN key for your project. Make sure to copy this DSN key for later use. Next, integrate Sentry into your mobile app. If you are using Android, follow the Gradle integration instructions. For iOS, follow the CocoaPods integration instructions. Test the integration by generating a sample error in your app. Verify that the error appears on the Sentry dashboard in real time. Finally, explore the various features and settings available in Sentry for further customization. Your setup is now complete, and you can monitor real-time errors in your mobile applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.